Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a circle in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic technique for creating profile pictures, social media content, or any design where you want that clean, circular aesthetic. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Adobe Express dashboard where all your creative options await. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you the flexibility to work with any dimensions you need, then click on Create New File to open a fresh canvas. Alternatively, if you've been working on something already, you can simply select your existing project and continue from there with your canvas ready. Direct your attention to the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Media. This is where you'll access all your visual content. Click on Photos to proceed. Here you have two choices. You can either click Upload from this device if you have a specific image saved on your computer, or you can use the search bar to find an image directly within Adobe Express. Choose whichever method works best for you. Once you've located the image you want to crop into a circle, select it and click Open. The image will now appear on your canvas. Take a moment to resize the image if needed, ensuring it fits well within your workspace and is positioned how you'd like it. Next, double-click on the image. This action is important as it allows you to enter the editing mode where you can apply specific transformations. Once you've double-clicked, look over to the left panel and navigate to the option labeled Shapes. From the Shapes menu, select the circle. This will overlay a circular shape onto your image, which is exactly what we need to achieve that circular crop effect. Now comes the fun part. You'll see handles around the circle overlay. Drag these handles to resize the circle and position it precisely over the part of the image you want to keep. You can also reposition the image content itself underneath the circle to get the best framing. Take your time with this step to ensure everything looks just right and the focal point of your image is perfectly centered within the circle. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Done in the bottom left corner. This finalizes your circular crop and your image is now beautifully shaped into a circle, ready to be downloaded or used in your design. And that's it. You've successfully cropped an image into a circle in Adobe Express, giving your visuals that polished, professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.